Hello students, in chapter 2 we will learn about linear equation in one variable. So first we will see what is variable. That means an equation is a statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more unknown quantities, and this unknown quantity is called variable. An equation involving only linear polynomials, that means whose power is 1, is known as linear equation. For example, 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Here the highest power, here x is the variable, and the highest power of the variable is only 1. So this expression is linear expression. That means linear equation. So in this chapter we will solve equations which have linear expressions. For example, in this, an algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. It has an equality sign, this equal. Equality signs, the expression on the left of the equality sign is the left hand side. This is the left hand side. And the expression on the right of the equality sign is the right hand side. So this is the right hand side. In an equation, the value of the expression on the LHS and RHS are equal. This happens to be true only for certain values of the variable. So here we will find the value of the variable, that is the value of x. So first what will we do? 2x. Now here 3, transport this 3, minus 3. Transport 3 on the right hand side. When we transport this 3 on the right hand side, we will put the opposite sign of minus 3. So write 7 as it is and put the opposite sign of minus 3. So here plus 3. Therefore 2x is equal to 10. Now we will transfer this 2 on the right hand side. Here 2 is in multiplication with x. So when we transfer this 2 to the right hand side, we put it in division. So x is equal to 10 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Therefore the value of x is equal to 5. This happens to be true only for the value of x is equal to 5. Let's check it. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Put here the value of x that we find. 2 multiplied by 5 minus 3. This is your left hand side. 2x minus 3. This is your left hand side and 7 is on your right hand side. So 2 5s are 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, and 7 is your RHS. So here LHS is equal to RHS. For which value? of this variable. For only x is equal to 5, this happens to be true. Next example. X upon 3 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. Here transposing 5 upon 2 to the RHS. So we will get 3 upon 2, put the opposite sign. So here plus 5 upon 2, here minus 5 upon 2. Here the denominators are same. So x upon 3 is equal to 3 minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 2 upon 2. 2 cut. So x upon 3 is equal to minus 1. Now transposing 3 to the right hand side, we get x upon x is equal to minus 1. Here 3 is in division. So transposing 3 to the right hand side, we put it in multiplication. Therefore x is equal to minus 3. Next example. Fifteen upon 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. Here by transposing 15 upon 4 to RHS. Here minus 7 writes minus 7x as it is. Now by transposing 15 upon 4 to the right hand side, here 15 upon 4 is positive. So put minus 15 upon 4. By taking LCM, 4 is the LCM, minus 7x, 15 upon 4 is equal to 36 upon 4 minus 15 upon 4 is equal to 36 minus 15 upon 4. Therefore minus 7x is equal to 21 upon 4. Now once again transposing minus 7 to the right hand side. Minus 7 is in multiplication with x. So put it in division. 7 1 जा 7 3 जा. So x is equal to here 3 upon minus 4 is equal to minus 3 upon 4. So the value of the variable x is equal to minus 3 upon 4. One more example. 6 is equal to z plus 2. Here you can do it by two methods. First, you can transfer this RHS to LHS and the whole LHS at RHS. That means z plus 2 is equal to 6. Now your RHS become your LHS, and your LHS become your RHS. So then Z is equal to, transposing 2 to the right hand side, 6 minus 2. Therefore Z is equal to 4. Or you can do it without, here is the variable, so transposing 2 to the left hand side, 6 minus 2 is equal to Z. Therefore 4 is equal to Z. That means Z is equal to 4. So you can do this sum by any of these method. So today try to do exercise 2.1 by this method.